have nothing to play with.
I got you a present!
Yay!
It's a puppet toy!
It's loads of fun. For about a minute.
Gosh! How about this one?
Yay!
Nothing beats the original.
It's time for your carrots, honey. No! Please? No! Come on!
Well, that's useless. How about a little trick? Cut the carrots in strips. Place it in the French fries box.
Thank you!
She didn't even notice.
How about a chocolate?
Kids have radar ears.
Ugh, fine.
You won this time. Let us cover up a little crime.
She won't bother. Where's that chocolate?
There's none. Phew! All yours! Oh, finally. Not.
Thank you!
Well, that was quick. Ah, I got ya. It's just broccoli. You ain't fooling her this time.
Thank you!
Well, you still have your raw, uncooked broccoli. Oh, well. At least it's good for your skin. Gina fancies some cola, but the sound of opening soda…
Did you just…
I see you!
She just can't catch a break. What if I hide it behind some crayons? And… a straw! You got joy written on your face, along with a couple of other things. Oh no! Yeah! Oh boy! No food! No food? What's this, huh? Friendship bracelets! Best friends forever! Yeah, sure. Nom 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 nom. Yummy! Jess is drawing. But she just ate her pencil? Hey! No food! It's just a pencil. Ah, okay. You don't have anything. Hey, you want some candy pencils? What? Try it. Thanks. Every Okay. Told you they're good. The camp counselor is taking away all the snacks that Wendy had in her backpack.
No more food?
No!
Go! Stop! No snacks!
I don't have anything.
Okay, go on.
What's wrong?
He took everything away!
Look!
Ooh!
Jess managed to sneak in some candy! Good job! No snacks are allowed in this summer camp! Can I go in?
No food?
Nuh-uh.
Okay. Thanks, dude. His muscles.
Hey, girls!
No one's looking? Here!
Oh! What? Oh my god! One for you, one for you. Some here. And here.
Oh boy!
But he can't see the candy.
Never mind.
Stop! Wait here. No snacks. Maybe I can put them here. Good. You. Okay.
Where did this come from?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
She's sleeping. He's gone. Candy time!
Whoa! No candy!
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What?
I love your headphones. See, I was a DJ. Used to play in the best clubs.
Oh, cool.
Let me try those on.
Okay.
Great sound! Huh? Ah, it's candy! I thought we bonded. Get out.
Okay, fine. Angry, but still loving the tunes.
It's arts and crafts time! And our boys are getting creative.
Bubblegum? No candy allowed in class! Darn it! I really wanted that gum. I know, bro. Wait a minute. Can I borrow that tape? Sure.
Got inspiration?
Oh my! You're a genius! Wow!
Enjoy the secret bubblegum!
And what's that noise again? Oh, okay.
Great job, guys! A+ for creativity! Our students are very creative. But not so smart when it comes to sneaking in drinks.
No No Coke!
No Coke! Unless there could be a way to drink it from something else. Empty the colored water, pour in your drink, and voila! What the heck?
Brilliant work!
I would be more careful if I were you. Told ya! Good day.
Do you have any snacks on you?
No, sir.
Show me!
Last chance. Whoopsie.
Hold that. And that.
Definitely look like candy to me. But I guess the teacher knows best. Get in there. Time to get comfy and get the candy out. Hey, Dan, catch it! Mmm, tasty!